because warehouses are no longer just storage spaces.
Okay.
They are becoming technology driven environments.
When people hear deep tech, they usually think of AI startups or robotic labs, maybe even space technology. But one of the fastest deep tech transformation today is happening somewhere far less glamorous, inside warehouses. Welcome to the Inside Consulting podcast. Hi, I'm Utkarsh, and today we have Miss Vansita with us.
Great to be here, and honestly, this is one of the most exciting changes happening right now because warehouses are no longer just storage spaces. They are becoming technology driven environments where data, machines, and software are constantly working together. Today, we'll break down what deep tech warehousing actually means, what technology are enabling it, and why this matters so much for growing businesses.
So, let's rewind for a moment. Traditional warehouses were simple manual tracking, paper based workflows, people walking long distance to pick items. Most distance were reactive. Now, compare that to what's happening today. Modern warehouses collect data continuously. System analyze it instantly. Automation respond at a time, at a real time. It less of a storage facility and more of a self-optimization ecosystem.
So, Utkarsh,
Yeah.
a major driver of this change is autonomous mobile robots or AMRs. These robots move through the warehouses using AI based navigation, sensors, and cameras. Instead of workers walking to shelves, inventory come to them. That alone can double picking productivity. All of this integration with warehouse management system that track every SKUs in real time. Add smart wearables like AR glasses and wearable scanners, and workers are guided step by step, reducing errors dramatically.
You have automated storage and retrieval systems. Robotic shuffles pull products from dense racks within seconds. Order move from placement to dispatch readiness incredibly fast. So, what used to take hours can now happen in minutes.
There is also automation at the shipping stage.
Okay.
Automated printed and apply machines, labels, parcel accurately. Dimensioning sensors measure size and weight instantly. If something doesn't match, the system flags it before it leaves the warehouse. So errors are caught internally, not by customers.
So, another powerful layer is predictive maintenance. Lot sensor monitor vibration, temperature, and machine health continuously. AI model can predict failure before they happen. That means fewer breakdowns and far less unplanned downtime.
Even reverse logistic is getting smarter. Automated sortation system quickly clarify return goods into resellable, repairable, or damaged categories. This speeds up inventory recoveries and protect working capital.
So, the shift is clear. Warehouses are no longer passive storage facilities. They are intelligent infrastructure powered by robotics, AI, lot, and automation software. So, this allows businesses to handle higher volumes with far greater accuracy.
And the business impact is measurable. Labor costs can drop by 20 to 30%, picking accuracy can exceed 99%, processing time shrink dramatically, inventory losses reduces. These improvements directly strengthen margins and operational efficiency.
So the biggest takeaway is simple. Deep tech warehousing is not just about automation, it's about redesigning the operational backbone of a business. It enables speed, precision, and scalability. And that's why D2C brands, FMCG players, and marketplaces are investing heavily in smart warehouses. We will back with more practical insights on how businesses can scale smarter. So stay tuned for the next episode of Inside Consulting.